Stop spending your entire afternoons slicing up footage the old-fashioned way. The tools I'm about to walk you through let you get studio-quality clips, captions, and publishing systems in a fraction of the time. One of these tools quietly solves the biggest content bottleneck most creators still face today. These are the top AI tools every creator should know in 2026. By the end of this video, you'll wonder why you ever edited manually. Hey, I'm Alex, and I live for shortcuts that actually make my content better. I follow every major release from the big AI companies and test stuff until it either saves me time or makes me throw my monitor out the window. I've used voice cloning, automated dubbing, image AI, cinematic video generation, and visual automation. Today, I'll show you how to combine all those capabilities into a workflow that gets your long videos turned into consistent, viral-ready short clips. You won't have to babysit the timeline anymore. Let's run through the lineup, and I'll point out where each tool shines, where it falls short, and how Vizard slots into the middle to make everything work together. Number 5. Hyper-real text-to-speech and voice cloning tools. These are wild because you type copy and out comes a professional-sounding voice in multiple languages with emotion and cadence. They are great for narration, for redubbing content, and for quick promo reads. The catch is that they're terrific for single assets, but they don't help you find what parts of your long-form content are actually worth turning into shorts. Also, licensing can get pricey if you need lots of branded voice reads. In short, they are fantastic for voice work, but you still need to manually choose and clip the moments you want to publish. Number 4. Browser-first recording and editing suites with built-in AI cleanup and multilingual dubbing. These platforms give you a remote studio, robust recording, and tools to clean up audio and remove filler words automatically. This is amazing for raw recording sessions. Some even let you dub your mouth movements and create translated versions of your material. The limitation is that they're designed around the recording session itself. They don't automatically harvest the best moments from an hour-long interview and spit out a week of optimized shorts. You still end up exporting timelines, finding sound bites, and building your daily posting rhythm yourself. Number 3. AI image and design systems that plug into your thumbnail and asset workflow. These are perfect for creating eye-catching thumbnails, stylized backgrounds, and brand-consistent visuals at speed. Integration with tools like web-based design platforms means you can iterate fast. But again, these are asset factories because they don't solve distribution or targeting. You can design gorgeous thumbnails, but you still need a reliable source of repeatable short clips to pair them with. Number 2. Cinematic AI video generators that create B-roll and short scenes from text prompts. These are brilliant when you need bespoke visuals that don't exist in your footage. They even synthesize sound effects and deliver polished cinematic sequences. They're a game changer for promo reels and mood pieces. The problem is, most creators don't need brand new B-roll every time. They need a predictable system to take existing long-form episodes and turn them into multiple high-performing short posts. Generative video is amazing as an add-on, but it's not the daily engine for repurposing long content. Number 1. Automation and orchestration platforms, the glue that ties everything together. These let you schedule, pull in data, talk to search engines for story ideas, and post on autopilot. They're brilliant at connecting tools. The friction here is the human overhead to design the exact flows you want. You can automate posting, but you need reliable content to feed the automation. That's where Vizard comes in and why I actually use it every day. Vizard isn't trying to replace those other tools, it complements them in a way that makes the whole stack exponentially more useful. Here's the reality. You can have the best voice engine, the sleekest dubbing platform, the prettiest thumbnails, and an automation engine. But if you don't have a repeatable way to extract the gold from your long videos, you're still stuck doing the manual work. Vizard automates that extraction work. First, it offers auto-editing for viral clips. Vizard scans your long videos and finds the moments that are most likely to perform. It identifies hooks, laughs, high-energy lines, and teachable moments, then turns them into ready-to-post clips. It's not random because it learns which parts get engagement and then prioritizes those. Compared to tools that only give you editing primitives, Vizard gives you clips with structure, so you get publish-ready content without babysitting cuts, trims, or awkward joins. Second, it features auto schedule. Set how often you want content to go out and Vizard will schedule it for you. This is more than a calendar, it's a publishing autopilot so your channels stay active even when you're not. Third, the content calendar keeps everything organized. Everything Vizard creates lands in a central calendar where you can review, tweak thumbnails, edit captions, and approve clips before they post. It's a single control center for publication across socials. Unlike some systems where your thumbnails are scattered in design tools and your clips live on your drive, Vizard unifies creation, review, and distribution. Let me put it this way. Imagine you have a 2-hour live stream that contains 1 brilliant rant, 3 guest quotes, and 5 teachable 30-second segments. Without Vizard, you'd have to scrub the timeline, decide which bits are worth posting, make each edit, export, and create a caption. With Vizard, you upload the raw file, choose the cadence, and the system hands you 10 optimized shorts. It's not magic, it's very intentional design that focuses on the real bottleneck, finding the good stuff and turning it into content consistently. Now, to be fair, Vizard is not the all-in-one for everything. Want ultra-realistic voice clones or AI-dubbed mouth sync? Pair Vizard with a top-tier TTS or dubbing tool? Need bespoke cinematic B-roll? Use an AI video generator for that extra polish and drop it into Vizard as a B-roll asset. The point is, Vizard is the piece that automates the most labor-intensive, repeatable task for creators. A quick example from my own workflow, I recorded a 90-minute panel discussion. I ran the file through a high-quality transcription and a separate voice cloning service for a quick promo read. Then I fed the main video into Vizard, which returned 12 high-potential clips, complete with suggested hooks and captions. My Shorts channel picked up a steady stream of views, and I reclaimed hours I would have spent editing. So what should you take away? Use specialized tools for the things they do best. But if your goal is consistent short-form output from long-form content, Vizard is the engine that glues it all together. Which tool do you want to hear more about? The best TTS for multilingual promos, the top image models, or a deeper walkthrough of Vizard's logic? Drop a comment and I'll pull your questions into the next video. And if you're working with long content, give Vizard a spin as the missing link in your stack. Thanks for watching. There's a video on your screen now that YouTube thinks you'll like next. Catch you in the comments.